Struggling to figure out Webex? I'll show you exactly how to start, join, and manage your first meeting in minutes. No confusion, no fluff, just the steps you actually need. We'll cover signing in, the 3 main meeting options, and the essential controls you'll use during a meeting. By the end of this, you'll feel completely comfortable inside Webex. All right, let's kick things off. You'll want to open the Webex desktop app and sign in using your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It takes about a minute to create one, and it's free.
Just use your work email or a personal one, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you land on the Meetings page. This is your home base. Now, after signing in, you'll see 3 big options right at the top: Start, Join, and Schedule. These are pretty much everything you need to do with Webex, so let's walk through each one. Let's begin with starting a meeting. If you want to meet with someone right now, no planning, just jump in, click that Start button. It will instantly launch a new meeting room.
You'll be the host, and you can invite people by sending them the meeting link. Simple and fast. If you have a link or a meeting number, here's how to join. Click the Join button. A small window will pop up asking for the meeting link or number. Paste it in, and you're connected. You don't even need an account to do this, which is handy if you're jumping into a meeting a colleague set up. Now, scheduling for later. Click the Schedule button. This opens up a form where you can name your meeting, set a date and time, and even add a description. I recommend setting a reminder so nobody forgets. After you fill that out, hit Save. Webex will automatically create a link and send it to everyone you invite. Super clean. Once you're inside a meeting, here's your control center, the bottom toolbar. This is where you'll spend most of your time. The microphone icon lets you mute or unmute yourself. The camera button turns your video on or off. The screen share button is huge for presentations. You can also record the meeting, which saves a local copy to your computer. And if you need to get someone's attention without interrupting, the raise hand feature is perfect. Next, see who's here. Click the Participants panel. This shows everyone in the meeting, and you can even invite more people from here. Just type an email address or copy the invite link. It's great for keeping track of who has joined and who's still missing. Communicate via chat. The chat panel lets you send messages to everyone or just specific people. Use it to share links, ask questions, or drop a quick note during the meeting. It's also handy if you don't want to interrupt someone speaking. Finally, how to exit. When the meeting is over, click the red Leave or End Meeting button. If you're the host, you can end it for everyone. If you're just a participant, you'll leave and the meeting can continue without you. That's it. So here's the thing. From feeling lost inside Webex to running meetings like a pro, you've got everything you need right here. Just remember the 3 options: Start, Join, and Schedule. And the toolbar is your best friend once the meeting begins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.